Okay, friends, are you ready to work on addition and subtraction up to 18? Great. This problem says solve. We're given the problem 4 plus 2 is equal to a number. This plus sign or addition sign is showing me that I'm going to be adding these numbers together. I'm going to be combining them. So I'm going to make some drawings to help me with this problem. I'm going to draw 4 lines for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to draw 2 lines for 2. 1, 2. Now I'm going to see how many that is all together, and that will be 4 plus 2. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Amazing. Let's type in our 6. All right, here's our next one. 2 plus 5. This plus sign shows me we're going to be adding them together. 1, 2, plus 5. Let's draw 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how many that is all together. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The total is 7. Brilliant. All right, now we have 0 plus 2. These are one of my favorites, and I'll show you why. For 0, I'm going to make 0 lines. So I've made 0 lines. There are none. Now I'm going to make 2 lines for 2. So we have nothing, or 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, because I see we have 1, 2. I'm going to show you a trick. 0 plus any number will always be that same number because we are adding nothing to it. So in this case, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Great, and I see the 2 right here. Next, we have 1 plus 1. If I draw 1 dot here and 1 dot here, how many do I have? Yes, 2. Here is the 2. All right, do you remember our trick? 0 plus any number is that same number, because we are adding nothing to it. So 0 plus 2 is going to be 2 because we are adding nothing to it. So 2 is my answer. Here's 2. All right, now we have 2 plus 5. I'm going to draw 2 lines and 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice I leave a big space between them so I don't get confused when I'm drawing my lines. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Great. Do you see the 7 down below? Yes, it's right here. All right, let's work on our next one. We have 5 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 2 more. All right, let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7. So I know that 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And I see the 7 right here. Let's work on our next problem. This one has a different symbol. 9 minus 2 equals a number. Yeah, it has minus, so we're going to be taking away 2 from 9. So we can draw lines again. Let's draw 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many am I going to be taking away? Yeah, 2. So I'm going to draw an X on this one and an X on this one. How many do I have left? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 left. So 9 minus 2 is 7. All right, let's solve. We have 3 minus 2. So we have 3 and we're going to take away 2. So let's draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. How many circles am I going to take away now? Yes, 2. 1, 2. And how many do you see left? Just 1. So our answer is 1. Here's our last problem. We have 7 minus 7. So if we have 7 objects and we take 7 objects away, how many do you think we're going to have? Let's draw a picture to figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do we have left to count? I don't see any left to count that are not crossed off. So what number would represent none or nothing? Yeah, 0. All right, so 7 minus 7 equals 0. Another trick is if you are taking away the same number that you have that you're starting with, your answer is always going to be 0. So if I have 4, take away 4, my answer is going to be 0. Because if I have 4 and I take all 4 of them away, I will be left with nothing. We can try this even with our fingers. Can you hold up 5 fingers? Great. Now, put down or take away 5 fingers. How many do you have left up? Yeah, none. 0. That's a fun trick for figuring out our subtraction problems. 7 minus 7 in this case is 0. Amazing work, my friends.